Hello everyone, I'm in North Burnaby and I want to point out a few things about the engineering on this job.
I am standing in the basement underneath of our main floor assembly. You can see that we're using I-joists, and these I-joists are in joist hangers that are attached to a ledger board. In fact, it's an LSL ledger board, and we hold it in place with these bolts that you see between the joist hangers. And these are anchor bolts that were set into the concrete before we poured around them, so this ledger board is not going anywhere.
But what we do in this case, we've pre-installed these. We have these anchor bolts. If you look in behind, we've cut out the foam. Now the concrete will go right in here. These will stay strong, pre-installed, and now we don't have any deflection.
Here we have a beam. Engineers will often give us several options, but because it was important to have a flat ceiling to my clients, we went with the steel beam, which would achieve this. Steel beam is anchored into the foundation wall with those 4 bolts you see here. Runs across to an interior wall. Point load is going to be 5 2x6s down to our curb wall and footings, and that's how it's supported.